going on, guys? It is Bernardo, and today is all about how to set up email notifications for your SQL server for backup jobs. So let's get right into it. All right, so setting up email notifications for your SQL server. How to do this? Pretty simple. First thing that we need to do is open up your SQL Server Management Studio. Open that up. Once you're here, we're going to get into the management. Double click on that folder to expand it. We're going to select database mail. We're going to right click on it and we're going to select configure database mail. You're going to get this nice little wizard. We're going to click next here. I'm going to leave the default. So I'm going to click next. You're going to get this informational message. The database mail feature is not available. Would you like to enable this feature? Yes. Click yes here. Awesome. Now, provide a profile name. This is what I gave it. You're able to do whatever you want. Click on the add button. And then we need to enter the information. Now, enter the account name, a description, the email, the display name, the reply email, the server name, the port number, whether or not you're using SSL, whether or not you're using Windows authentication, and whether or not you're using basic authentication now or doing anonymous. Most likely, hopefully, you're not doing anonymous. So this is the settings that I gave it. Boom. Awesome. I'm doing basic authentication. And you got to make sure that your SNTP for your Office 365 is set up. You got to create a Mailflow connector between your Office to the tenant for this to work. It did not work for me because I haven't created a connector as of yet within my Mailflow, within my 365 tenant. And eventually I'm going to do that and do a video for you guys of how to create a connector within the tenant. So from here, we're going to click OK. We're going to click next here. We're going to give it a check mark of our new profile that we created to be public. Awesome. Now for the default profile, click on no because that is a drop down. Click yes here. Click next. The only thing that I changed within the system parameters was the retry attempt. By default is set to 1. I changed it to 2. I click next here. A nice little summary. Click on finish. All green check marks, which is always a good thing, and then close it. Now, if you want to test it, again, within the database mail, right click on it, select send test email, and provide a to field, and then click on send test email, and then it should go out. Now, for me, it did not work out because I do not have my SNTP set up within my 365 tenant. I have to create a Mailflow connector between my on-prem to the tenant. Eventually, I'm going to do that for you guys and then shoot it out. I don't know when, but I will do it. So hopefully you guys enjoy and I catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.